Hi everyone, welcome back to Network Guru. If you run into a problem where you can't upload videos or photos in the Capcut web version because there is not enough free space and there is no option to upgrade it, don't worry. In this video I'll show you exactly how to fix that issue in just a few clicks. Let's get started. Go to your computer and open a browser. I'm using Google Chrome. In the search bar, type capcut.com and hit enter. This will take you to the Capcut web version. First, we need to make sure to log in or create an account. Click on the enter button in the top right corner and sign in your account. Then click on your space. As you can see, in my case, I only have 1 bit of space left, and there is no option to upgrade or buy more. To fix this, simply click Create New Space. Give your new space a name, and click Create Space. And that's it. Now, as you can see, we have 5 GB of free space available in this new workspace, completely free. You can now upload videos, photos and start editing without any issues. And that's it. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Bye.